Hello guys, so I have this wallet script wallet web app for you guys. This can be a QFS wallet, right? The QFS people that are into QFS will understand this. This is a wallet script, right? So I'm going to show you all you need to know about it. All right. So let's start by importing wallet. So for us to import wallet, we need to create an account. Let's create this account. Real analysis. Real 123. So let's create password 12345678. We enter the password 12345678. Sorry, 12345678. Okay, we don't have any referral, so we'll go ahead and create an account. Okay, email already exists. Let me use 123. Sorry, that email have been existing, right? 12345678. All right, 12345678. Okay, so let's go ahead and create. All right, so it brings us to this spot where we can create. If we don't have a wallet, it would require you to create a wallet, right? You copy your wallet, but if you have a wallet, you can import the wallet. If you have wallet with already money inside it, you can import a new wallet. All right, so we're going to import a wallet. Let's say we have a wallet called Trust Wallet. So we go ahead and import the wallet. We're going to put our 12-word phrase here. Then we go ahead and what? Import. We import the wallet. We go ahead and import the wallet. All right. So the wallet is importing. So this wallet, what happens here is that once this person puts his wallet phrase, you in admin will see it. So now we're going to create passphrase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we create passphrase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we retype the passphrase again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so it brings us to the wallet. This thing here now. So one good thing about this thing is that you can add as many wallets as you want. You can add, if you want to add 500,000 wallets. I said crypto assets. You can add any number of crypto assets you want from admin. Right? It will not sync. It will not make this system to hook. The system has been scaled to the height of it. So you can add from admin. You can add. Look at it. This number of crypto I've added. I've added by Tao and a lot of them. You can add as much as possible you want, right? From admin. We have the link wallet. Why is this guy sending me this thing? Have the link wallet. Link wallet here. Okay. You can link wallet. You can trade bots on here. You can trade bots, like you can trade with bots. Look at this. I'm waiting for the system to start loading. All right, you can trade bots here. So what you need to do is to select the trading pairs you want, NIA and USDT. Then these are others, right? So select the bot plan you want. Go ahead and select the time and the amount, right? So this is very, very robust. All right, so now you can add as many wallets as you want. If you don't want the link wallet, you can turn it off for this user. So the link wallet, they can link their wallet. Let me link a new wallet. So we have this. Let me call it green. So let's link this wallet. It has been linked. All right. So it has been linked. All right. So the swapping is there. Swapping works very well. Buy crypto, so you can add any number of crypto you want. You can add as much as you want from admin. If you want to add a whole crypto assets, you can add it. All right, so you just go from the back end. You show you. I will make a full video of how to add crypto and every other thing.